Yeah, hello there YouTubers, and welcome to this video where I review the washing machine, the tumble dryer and the dryer cabinet. Let's see, the washing machine, it's very good, it washes good, it has several good programs. When you turn it on, first it this program comes up first, Echo 60. It's a very good program. I often use extra rinse on that one, but let's see what other programs we have. No, we have normal 30, normal 40 color, normal 40 white, normal 60 color, normal 60 white, 95, mild 60, mild 40, mild 30, hand wash 30, woolens 40, rinse and short spin, allergy 60, which was the program we used just now before. And then we have a program that rinses the drum, and that, yeah, so that was the program on this machine that are available. Okay, there. This is for economy button. This is for very dirty clothes. This is for fast wash, quick wash. This one is for pre-wash, extra rinse, no softener. And now you press that if you don't want it to take the softener. This compartment have this one is for liquid detergent, this is for softener, this is for pre-wash, main wash, so ordinary. It's 4.5 kilo drum, I think, no, 5 kilo it is, I guess. Very good paddles. It's plastic paddles, but that doesn't matter really. This one is free swaying, and that's good, I guess. It doesn't have a pump. It's outlet valve here at the back side. No, it's inside the machine, so you don't see that. The tumble dryer has several programs. On this one, they have saved white colored cottons extra dry on all 4 buttons. That's not how it's normally done, but that's how it is on this one. But you can press here, and then you can have other here's another dry, but it's not as dry as extra dry. Here's 20% rest there, so not extra dry there, 25%, 40%, and iron dry 10%, iron dry 20%, woolens, hot air, cold air. And that one, the hot air, you can, it says 20 minutes at first, but you can change that up to, 1 hour. You can change that up to 1 hour, so to speak, if you wish to. No. It's strange it doesn't have a back button there, but well, so let's see where we were. And the same thing for cold air. This is for pillows, white body wash. I don't know why it stands, but iron, easy iron, finished woolen, super short program, cold air again, hot air, jeans, shirts, outdoor, impregnation, I don't know what that is exactly, mild wash, that's for terry cloth, finish silk, reactivation, don't know exactly what that is, and then you can have a cage which is set in here so that the cage doesn't move, it's only the drum that moves, so what's on the cage is still, and you can use that on several different and it's also on different programs. On this we shall dry now, we use extra dry and low temperature, press and start there. The dryer cabinet is not as much, it doesn't have that much options. It has boil wash, cotton and that kind of stuff, and then we have easy iron, and then we have a stop button. We will use the body wash on this one because it's it can be dried on that. Yeah, and the thing with this dry cabinet is that it has a irritating thing. It stops when it's dry, but when it stops, it's usually not dry, which means that after it has stopped, you have to press that button again, and depending on how different the clothes are, if they are in the same kind of type or not, it might be only 2 times, but if it's varied, it can be up to 3 times, which is irritating in my opinion. Then we have a mangle here, cold mangle, and it's just, yeah, you know the deal here. Yeah, pretty simple mangle in my opinion. No big fuss about that one. It's just a simple mangle. It works okay, not perfect maybe, but still okay. So I haven't used it very much. I've only used it a little. So like that, and as you can see, we have a light there, so you can see what's going on. A new mangle and that, turn it off, and that we have that on that wall. So, and I think that was all for the review of the washer room, so to speak. And that, I don't know what else one can say about it. It's a good machine. It would have been good if we had 2 machines instead of 1, but as it is, we have this machine and it works okay. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And we have also these, you can for helping us who live here, because we have small problems, we who live here and need some help. And it's 60 on that color, 40 in there, 60 and 40 white. So when the other who lives here who should wash, they could fill this up with 60 wash on that color, and so it's easy for them to understand. I know how it works. I'm good on washing, so I don't need that, but there might be other that doesn't know very well how it should be done. And I also show you in this how to use the dryer cabinet the best, how what should be where and what should be lowest and that kind of stuff, just to help the other users who live here. Like I said, I'm good on this, I don't need that to know that, but there might be other people who don't know all that much as I do. And I think that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video.